COVID is the only instance where oxygen is required. Oxygen could be required in mostly all serious medical conditions and emergencies where there is breathlessness and respiratory problem. We even learned that a few puffs of pure oxygen could keep us younger and the skin glow. Pure oxygen keep the children more active and brighter. Dr. Oxygen generator does not need battery or electricity and has a long shelf life. Dr. Oxygen, a small analyte gadget, is not only for the hospitals but for every other public places and health centers, school, gym, clubs, and I would say every home. It is very affordable and a must-have.
Hadian baka sorkar jela kelapan bena ban kentiu no ya ka civil subdivision Mairang Shaga district ke Papura na kaliang unong mikmat sakaying dorbar thawain ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly na ka jirang constituency uba Sosthenes Sotun lengba kilat pathai khubor ulapha ika khubor ai jingero ya ka sorkar jela hi borok away balayalam da ka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ha ka jinglam khamat dau Konrad Konggal sangma ku menteri rangba Shushu nakaliang uteu nong mikmat ka jirang constituency habakran syakilat pathai khubor uladawa naka sorkar ban penkiu kerdan no ya ka administrative unit pathar khma da ka bawloong ka administrative unit jongka pathar khma kaladap arpun rius nam menta tekumta ka sorkar kaladei ban kentiu kerdan lang no ya ka administrative unit pathar khma sya ka civil subdivision
te hagene sngi ngaso ban pau ya ka khubor saboro ki panyong song jo jela bat kumju bat berpau ki khubor ka sorkar adien ba honorable chief minister jongi ulada penbana ya panai district ya ka Mairang tena kalian jonga kumbu MLA jong ka jirang potensi ngapen pau ya ka jing dokumen adien ba u chief minister ka sorkar kilapan bana panai district ya Mairang but hagaju kopor ngasngo kumban penkan mau yang ya ka sorkar hadin ba ka administrative unit ke jongi keladap kelakenjo syaka apo nriusnem te nakalian jonga kumu MLA ngakentu bat ngabanjur syaka sorkar haka jingilam jong honorable chief minister sa Konrad K Sangma ba kinpek kerpang lene ban ai ban upgrade ya ka administrative unit jong ka parakma syaka civil subdivision kade ka jingkentu ke jingkarpat na kaliang jonga kum MLA nama bangai ya ka jingdon kam ka jong ki patba kibasa hagadong western riboy hi borok away te kumbanirap kumbat penjang ya ke jingedai ke jong sorkar bagi patba ngakentu sa hisien ya ke sorkar ngakentu sa hisien ha ke jingelam jong honorable chief minister sa Konrad K Sangma ba ya ka patma administrative unit yikan men scam ba ngin sayo no ba ngesei ba ya ka patma administrative unit ba ka sorkar kan ai ladekan bu hak kerpang ban upgrade no syaka civil subdivision di hagaju kopor jong ka pandemic ka banglei babaro si satlu pertai khamtam hagane ka jela ka jongi ngidang yele ekene ka klam covid khat kendai di nakalian jonga kum unong mikmat ngakentu ya baro ki pa nong song snong ba ngimdai ban atatin ba pinwan syakmat nakabenta ba pinyo ikilat jingeda lingba katika bat kumju bapin board ya ki protocols dan ki jinghikai ki baka health department nakaleng sorkar kalabu kalab hikai ya ki paiba baro bapin board ki kendon ki baper kenang ba kanong ka jingeda nakamta jongpi baro iwe ki panong song ki badon hagli constituency pada ka jela bat kumju bapin long kinong yada nakabenta ka jingim ka jongi iwe kubleshibun